Hello everyone, welcome back to Girly Tips. This is my second unboxing video of free trial samples from Kama Ayurveda. First smitten unboxing video, this is my second unboxing video of free trial sample products from Kama Ayurveda. Exactly the same way like smitten. If you haven't seen my smitten unboxing video, please do watch it. Now I'm showing how to order 3 free trial samples. First, you have to go to the KamaAyurveda.com official website. This is a great company which gives you a completely organic products. There are so many products in the trial list. You can see my order history. Yeah, this is my order history. So you have to pay just 150 rupees for the delivery charges. So these are my 3 products. First one is face mask. Next one is face cream, and the third one is foot cream. So there are so many products like hair care products, face creams, foot creams, face packs, essential oils, skin brightening creams, etc. You can order any 3 free trial samples. So you have to pay just 150 rupees for the delivery charges. So let's open the box and check what's there inside. Products are bubble wrapped. There are 2 cards inside. Let's check them. So these 2 cards are for advertisement purpose of the products. One is Dhanvantaram Thailam. This is for pre-post natal treatment, and the other one is pure Mogra water. It is a steam distilled water. Let's open the cover and check what's there inside. So these are my 3 sample products. So the first product is Iladi Hydrating Ayurveda Face Cream. The ingredients are coconut milk, cinnamon, cardamom, olive oil, and aloe vera. So it is a completely natural product, and all the ingredients are super amazing for your skin. And the weight is 8 grams. The next one is Kama Ayurveda Food Cream. The ingredients are organic almond oil, organic extra virgin coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and aloe vera and glycerin. The weight is 8 grams. I'm just trying it on my hands. And the third one is Lavanya Natural Plant Mask. It is written here, recommended to nourish, deep cleanse and beautify skin. This blend of herbs has been traditionally used for skincare. It leaves skin glowing and refreshed. It is free from artificial preservatives, colorants, and fragrances. So these are all my 3 trial samples from Kama Ayurveda. It looks so cute. So they give you trial samples so that you can try it, and if you are satisfied with those products, then you can buy them. So I'm checking it. It is like powderish. So friends, these are all my free trial samples products from Kama Ayurveda. Hope you liked my unboxing video of free trial sample products from Kama Ayurveda. Please give a thumbs up to my video, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you are a new viewer, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Bye bye.